Expressing gratitude through flowers is a timeless gesture. Here are 10 flowers commonly associated with conveying thanks. 10 flowers that mean thank you. These are please. 1. Roses yellow. Yellow roses symbolize friendship, joy, and happiness, making them an ideal choice for expressing gratitude and appreciation. 2. Gerbera daisies. Gerbera daisies represent cheerfulness, innocence, and gratitude. Their vibrant colors and cheerful appearance make them a popular choice for saying thank you. 3. Carnations pink. Pink carnations symbolize gratitude and admiration. They are a classic choice for expressing appreciation and thanks. 4. Sunflowers. Sunflowers symbolize adoration, loyalty, and longevity. Their bright and cheerful appearance conveys warmth and gratitude. 5. Lilies white. White lilies symbolize purity, virtue, and appreciation. They are often used to express gratitude and admiration for someone special. 6. Tulips pink. Pink tulips represent affection, care, and gratitude. They are a beautiful choice for expressing heartfelt thanks. 7. Alstroemeria. Alstroemeria, also known as Peruvian lilies, symbolize friendship, devotion, and mutual support. They are a meaningful choice for expressing gratitude to a friend or loved one. 8. Hydrangeas. Hydrangeas symbolize gratitude, grace, and beauty. Their lush, voluminous blooms make a stunning statement of thanks. 9. Camellias pink. Pink camellias symbolize gratitude, admiration, and fondness. They are a lovely choice for expressing thanks to someone special. 10. Chrysanthemums yellow. Yellow chrysanthemums symbolize friendship, joy, and happiness. They are a thoughtful choice for conveying appreciation and thanks. When giving flowers as a token of gratitude, consider the recipient's preferences and the occasion. Pairing the flowers with a heartfelt note or message will further convey your appreciation and gratitude.